This is from Dollar Diaper Club.
Nice long, even strokes.
Yeah.
I'm getting the feel that it's a little gritty. Let's get in there.
Okay, I think we did enough and we can duct it.
And I signed up for the newborn size. And then it comes with 6 diapers and it's up to 10 pounds. How is this Everyday Happy, but it's $1? Okay. Alright, well, okay. Okay, so Everyday Happy and Dollar Diaper Club are the same thing. So I have another pack of these. I thought those diapers looked familiar. And then this is the, it's going to rip again or whatever. It's the little travel size with the shampoo samples and all that jazz in there. Detergents, body lotion, hand soap and body wash, and the cream. I'm kind of upset that this is the same thing. I thought I really wanted something different, but c'est la vie. Okay, that's the Dollar Diaper / Everyday Happy.